My dear students of BBA 5th semester, Osmania University and other TS universities, in the subject of entrepreneurship development, unit number 4 is like institutional finance for entrepreneurship development, or it is called as institutional finance for entrepreneurs. My dear students, who is an entrepreneur means he is a businessman who runs, who manages, who establishes a business. My dear students, entrepreneurs requires two types of capitals, like working capital means the capital which is required for purchase of raw materials, payment of wages and salaries, and meeting all the daily expenses. Fixed capital is required to buy machinery, land, equipment. Likewise means we require sometimes short term finance is required to meet working capital needs, medium term and long term is required to meet the capital needs. Means here there are many institutions which are working in India in providing different kinds of financial support to the entrepreneurs. Why? Because entrepreneurs create lot of employment. See, my dear students, among this very first one is like commercial banks. There are two types of commercial banks, like public sector banks and private sector banks. They are also provide various types of loans to the entrepreneurs. Most of the loans are gold loans and collateral security loans, and short term loans they will provide, like bank overdraft. Likewise, on the other hand, there are development banks, industrial development banks, ICICI Bank, IDBI Bank, Exim Bank. They provide different types of loans to the entrepreneurs for meeting their needs. Then institutions, my dear students, like State Finance Corporation, SIDBI, Small Industrial Development Bank of India, IFCI, IDFC, they will also provide different kinds of loans. NBFC means non-banking finance companies. They are like banks only, but won't accept deposits. Mannapuram Finance, Muthoot Finance, Sundaram Finance, Sriram Finance, Bajaj Finance. Other than this, LIC will also provide different kinds of loans to the entrepreneurs. In unorganized sector, there are money lenders in villages and pawnbrokers, indigenous bankers, and friends and relatives. They will also provide some type of finance. Organized sector means which is controlled by RBI and other controlling institutions and government. Unorganized sector means which is not part of RBI control. Wish you all the best, my dear students.